What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video and update on Ethereum. We have something to talk about. Ethereum has been fairly bearish over the last 24 hours. We'll talk about what that means and is it something we have to worry about, that kind of thing. Just in general what you can expect from Ethereum. So let's get right into it. To be honest, I mean, if you watched my update yesterday, this was expected. We were trying to break above that resistance level around 1680 and 1675. It's a very strong resistance level technically. All right, so it's not going to be easy to break through that. And as you can see, I expected us to first actually drop down to our main support level again around 1610. So that's what's happening right now, and we're still actually a little bit above that. So I would still very much consider Ethereum as technically as bullish. Now, the thing though that is true and what is certainly happening is that the dollar strength index is rallying quite a bit, or at least it's recovering. After the interest rate Wednesday evening, we fell down pretty hard. And what's happening right now is that you can see that we're recovering to the same levels we were at kind of at the end of January, when Ethereum, for example, was between 1540 and 1610. So right now, in terms of price, Ethereum is actually relatively higher than the dollar strength index, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so we're actually still pretty bullish, and apart from that, I think we'll remain bullish. There's no real reason for why we would not remain bullish, I think. Now, obviously, the interest rate has kind of been debunked. It was not that bullish or bearish or hawkish or dovish either way. So the dollar strength index recovered a little bit. But Ethereum and Bitcoin and crypto, I should say, is still doing fine. I think crypto is doing fairly well, even because right now, if you just take a look at the economic circumstances and the economic environment, we have dropping inflation rates, and they're not going to increase the interest rates anymore, or at least they're not going to increase the hikes. And we received some more dovish tones. So altogether, I still think that crypto is fairly bullish. So altogether, what I expect in terms of the price and in terms of the technicals, excuse me, I'll quickly redo my camera. It was a little bit blurry. Is that I think we'll drop down a little bit more towards 1610 and 1600, but I think we'll be able to hold that level, and then from there consolidate a little bit between 1600 and 1675. But at some point, at this point of time, I still expect us to be able to get up towards to get above 1680, find some resistance at 1700, take a break retest, and get to our next price target around 1760 and 1800. Right now, I really still think that all of the technicals align with that. I think all the fundamentals align with that. I mean, sure, you could say if the dollar strength index continues rising, then it no longer really aligns, and that's true. But you can see already that a lot of strong resistance levels are coming up for the dollar strength index. We could first of all find resistance here at 102. That's possible. But even if we go up even more, we'll go up to 102.5, and then from there we'll drop down. Which maybe then Ethereum drops down to 1600, but we'll still hold 1600 then, because then we will actually be falling with the dollar strength index. And apart from that, there are no bad fundamentals or bad news we have to worry about in the entire crypto markets, like fundamentally for it. So yeah, I'm still fairly bullish until proven otherwise. So I'll be covering Ethereum daily. Still, if you're interested in that, let me know and check it out. But for now, this is my take on today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.